One farmers group describes the government's promise for cheaper rice as, quote, lumang tugtugin. Here's the report.
The Agriculture Department is seeing cheaper rice at the start of 2025. This as the agency expects the full effect of reduced import tariffs on rice to kick in by January next year. Last July, tariffs were lowered to 15% from 35%. Depending on the variant, the staple at the moment sells for 45 to 56 pesos per kilo. The DA said this could be slashed by as much as 7 pesos a kilo. But for the Federation of Free Farmers, this nothing but a, quote, lumang tugtugin.
Ang reaction ko po dyan parang, there was a popular song not too long ago. Ang pamagat po niyan ay lumang tugtugin. So, this whole, we were promised as early as last August, that prices would start to go down. August came, ganun pa rin po, mahal pa rin po yung bigas.
The group acknowledged, though, that there are now cheaper rice in Kadiwa stores. But this is only limited to a few consumers in Metro Manila.
Kukunti lang po yung Makadiwa stores. And a lot of them are concentrated in the Metro Manila area. So nagrereklamo din po yung mga consumer natin outside Metro Manila, bakit sila po parang nahuhuli po sa mga pagbibigay po ng Makadiwa stores?
They also slammed the DA for allowing a huge increase in the importation of rice.
Supply has increased tremendously. Demand is the same, if not a bit lower, and therefore the prices of rice should be much, much lower. So, bakit hindi po yan pong asikasuhin?
Oh, lumang tugtugin.
Lumang
daw.
tugtugin.
Ay naman, ang ako na gusto pa ito pa rin. Char, go.
2038 ang ano, 'di ba? And then yung mga labels pala ng rice, gusto nila tanggalin na premium and
Oo,
other.
di ba noon pa nila sinasabi yun?
Hindi
Ang
naman,
nawala
yung
na noon yung mga Angelica, Super Angelica.
No, yung label, yung
Ginawa na lang nilang
yung brand.
sinanong.
Oo, yung parang gusto nila noon simplified, pero ngayon, wag mo nalagyan ng premium because sometimes yung premium nilalagay nila to sell it at a higher per kilo price. Iniiwasan nila yan. Pero yung mga labeling of varieties before, yun ang nawala. Kasi noon, ang daming variety. May Mindoro, may ano na pa.